Hey everyone! Did you know that nearly 70% of people struggle with weight loss? If you're tired of ineffective diets and slow progress, then I have some exciting news for you. I'm about to share a secret recipe for fat cutter tea that can help you shed 4 kgs in just 7 days. This incredible tea works wonders by boosting your metabolism and suppressing your appetite. Imagine losing those extra pounds without feeling hungry all the time. Now, let's talk about the common challenges we face while trying to lose weight. Slow metabolism, cravings, and diets that just don't work. We've all been there, right? But here's where Fat Cutter Tea comes in. It's packed with powerful ingredients like green tea, ginger, lemon, and honey, which are known for their fat-burning properties. The antioxidants in green tea boost your metabolism, while ginger helps in digestion and reducing hunger. Lemon adds a refreshing zing and enhances fat breakdown, and honey adds a touch of sweetness without the extra calories. It's all about creating a balance that works with your body to promote effective weight loss. Let me share a success story with you. Sarah, a busy mom of 2, struggled with weight gain for years. She started drinking Fat Cutter Tea daily and saw a remarkable transformation. In just a week, she lost 4 kgs and felt more energetic and confident than ever before. So, what's the takeaway here? Fat Cutter Tea can be a game changer in your weight loss journey. It's natural, easy to make, and fits perfectly into your daily routine. Ready to give it a shot? Try this amazing tea and share your experiences in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more health tips and tricks. Let's get started on your journey to a healthier you. Stay healthy, stay happy,